Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Doodle Jump on mobile. Doodle Jump is an incredibly fun and addictive game where your main objective is to guide a cute little alien, known as the Doodler, as high as you possibly can. You'll be jumping on an endless series of platforms, trying to avoid falling and dodging various obstacles. The controls are super intuitive, primarily relying on tilting your device. Let's dive into the basics of getting started and mastering your jumps. Mastering the basic movement in Doodle Jump is key to achieving high scores. Your primary control is tilting your mobile device. Tilt left to move the Doodler left, and tilt right to move right. The Doodler jumps automatically upon contact with a platform, so your focus is entirely on horizontal positioning. Most platforms are safe, but some will break or move, requiring quick reflexes. Practice smooth, subtle tilts for precise control. As you ascend, you'll encounter various power-ups and obstacles. Power-ups like springs and trampolines give you a massive boost upwards, helping you cover hundreds of units of height quickly. Even better are the propeller hats and jetpacks, which grant temporary flight, allowing you to soar past many platforms. However, beware of monsters and black holes. Touching them means game over. Remember to tap the screen to fire your projectile and clear your path of enemies. To truly master Doodle Jump and achieve impressive high scores, consider these advanced strategies. Try to chain together jumps on tricky platforms, like those that move or disappear, for extra points. Don't forget the screen wrap mechanic. If you go off the left edge, you reappear on the right, and vice versa. Always prioritize grabbing power-ups, as they are crucial for rapid ascent. Consistent practice will sharpen your reflexes and help you navigate the increasingly challenging levels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.